Okay, for the last piece of this project that I want you to play with is I want you to add some of your own stuff to it. So if you come up into here and click on architecture, there are other features that you can put into here. If you click on structure, you can actually insert components. If you hit that, do place component, and then your down arrow here will bring up a variety of different things that you can do. If you're not seeing what you want as far as furniture, then go into load family and then go into your furniture. Mine's in a separate spot because mine didn't load correctly, but you'll go into furniture. And there's beds in here. You can do, just like a standard bed. Let's do a standard bed. And you need to tell it at what level. So this would be floor level. And you can kind of see at this point where it would go. When you want to be able to see what's inside, if you click on the feature, so here's our roof, and right click, you can do hide in view. And then we'd want to do the same here with the ceiling so that we can actually see inside of it. I'm going to just go ahead and go to ground level for now so that I can put this in here. You can rotate it. So I'll pick here first and then rotate it. Or actually, let me go ahead and flip it all the way here so that I can move it over into the corner. There's all different kinds of furniture, you guys, that you can put in here. Maybe at this point you want to move the windows over a little bit. You can put bookcases, all kinds of cool stuff. Let's go back to 3D view so that we can look inside here. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that right now we're just looking at the concrete floor. So if you want to put down another type of flooring, which is something I encourage you to play with right now because today is all about just customizing, adding your colors and doing all that kind of stuff. So when you come into floor, we're going to want to be on the floor level, and you can do edit type. You need to make a new one. So I'm going to do duplicate and I'm going to put bedroom carpet. And then we'll go ahead and go into edit. And when it comes to the material, we can select here. We can then look at different carpet that there is, right? We can go into graphics, change some stuff there, the appearance. You can see here, this color is this red color. I'm going to leave it that color for right now so it's easy for you to see. Hit OK. And it's not going to be 6 inches thick. We're going to just make it, let's just make it 1 inch thick. And hit OK. OK. I want to flatten this so that I can actually see. And I don't want it, well, I do want it in the closet, but we can't put it through the wall because then it's going to literally go through the wall. So we're going to have to actually draw 2 separate boundaries. Let me zoom in a little bit. Make sure you're not selecting like the doorway. So there's that one, and then there's also this one. So you can't do one big one, okay? I'm going to hit OK. And it's telling me things are overlapping. And I understand that. So I'm going to go to my east. And so now that I'm in my east view, I want to actually, I'm going to hide this wall so that I can see where my floor went. Oh, you can see it right there. So it actually went down. I need to give it a 2-inch offset, a 2-inch or 1-inch offset up so that it sits up on top. So I'm going to go ahead and hide here so I can click on it. And then I'm going to give it a 1-inch offset, hit apply. Now you'll see the bed is sitting inside of the carpet, and we don't want that either. But we're also seeing that our floors or our walls here, the doors are here, but that's actually okay because the doors get framed all the way to the bottom, so that's okay. The walls, it's not interfering with the walls, so that's great. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to a 3D view. Okay, so I want to see what this looks like. So let's go ahead and go up to view and do render. And I'm going to click on render. There we go. So now we can kind of see what that looks like. And there's different settings that you can play with in here. When you're done, just go ahead and go to show the model, and it brings us back out. Looks great. Have fun with this, you guys.